Good morning, friends. I'm Wendy Blanchard, holistic health practitioner, counselor, and mental health educator and consultant. I'm excited that I'm going to be having another workshop on June 8th from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. through the Orangeburg Library in Rockland County, New York. You can sign up at orangeburglibrary.org when registration opens. It is not open as of yet. This one is going to be very exciting for me. So as many of you know, I've written a book and I'm just awaiting a publisher to say they'll go with it. So we're very excited about getting parts of the book out there to some of the people that follow me and need some extra inspiration during this challenging time. So I'm going to be sharing a chapter of my book with the participants, and I'll be sending it prior to the workshop on June 8th so that they can read that chapter and then look at the self-reflection questions that pertain to that chapter and see what resonates with them and write about it. We know that writing can be very cathartic. It certainly has been for me as I begin my 9th year of recovery tomorrow. I'm just so proud. I know I'm beaming and I'm very proud of this amazing accomplishment in recovery from prescription drug addiction and mental health challenges and eating disorders. So this is a great, exciting time for me, and especially to be able to share my wisdom and to share my experiences throughout these last full 8 years. So my book is called, I'll hold it up, this is the draft, Write, Pray, Recover, A Journey to Wellness Through Spiritual Solutions and Self-Care. And that's the name of the workshop, A Journey to Wellness Through Spiritual Solutions and Self-Care. And this one is going to be more interactive, much more interactive, and we'll be able to sit and have a discussion about what we've read in my book and how people connected to it, how it resonates in their daily lives today, whether they're in recovery or not. And so I'm excited. I'm really excited, and I hope that you can join us. You can, again, sign up at orangeburglibrary.org. It isn't, registration isn't open yet, but it will be soon, and I will keep you posted. You know, self-care practices and spiritual guidance and support and solutions have been my main way of thriving in recovery. And I am excited to share all of my experiences with you, most especially those that I've written in my book. I really feel like it can be very helpful, especially during the times that we're living in today. So remember that self-care is the actions that we take to achieve wellness, and wellness is where we stand in our power. Happy Friday. Happy Good Friday, happy Easter. I'm wishing you a beautiful and blessed weekend, a blessed holiday season, and I look forward to seeing you at one of my upcoming trainings. Take good care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now.